Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels friends option not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on Play Store app and search button here and search them Instagram apps. Already your Instagram is updating. Okay, go to your home page and go to Instagram apps and tap on your profile icon. And you can see that three dot icon. Tap on three dot icon and scroll down. You can see that help button. Tap on help button. And next, tap on report a problem. And go back and check phone. Tap on report a problem and tap on include and continue. You type them hello Instagram team, my Instagram Reels friend option not showing up. Please solve this problem as soon as possible. Okay, tap on send button. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.